40% of European CO2 emissions come from the manufacturing and energy sectors. We've decided it's time to change this. We need courage, creativity, competence and collaborations to shape the green transition. To decrease the footprint of the manufacturing industry, we need to explore and develop sustainable materials, and products and processes need to be designed with circular capabilities. We need to prolong the life of products by repair, refurbishment and remanufacturing. And we need data to measure, analyze, model and optimize products and processes. We are accelerating the green transition, but we can't do it alone. To make this happen, we need partners. We need you.